Iowa Hunter guy here, Jeff Johnson. I'm bringing you my Auto 34 and my Roadforce Elite to use the same conditions in your shop.
At this point in the process, I'm utilizing the green collet. That collet is made to set so we do not mark up the wheel. The airlift is for convenience and not having to actually lift the tire. This is the basic clamp that comes with the machine. It does have a quick clamp available if you would like that specific model. Once you've secured the tire, you then drop the handlebar. It's going to give us our first readings of the rollout to get an e-calibration of that wheel assembly. Starting on the 34, it's an airlift, so you don't have to lift the tire again. The securing plunger is a quarter turn to the right and then a drop down and secure the wheel and tire. Here's the most important part of using an Auto 34. This upper right roller sets off of the rim on top of the tire with about 1/8 of an inch between the two. It's flush. Literally, you can put your finger on it. There's no contact with the rim and the roller. That roller is polymer plastic. Even if it did hit the rim, it should not make a scratch. That upper right roller sets the mount head, which is lowering now, and the lower bead. I have removed both beads at this point in the process. I've dropped the mount head down, and you will hear a thug once it locks under the wheel. I then peel off the bead with rotation. I'm now using the mount head as just an extra arm in the process and holding the tire up. The bottom bead breaker has been brought up as well to remove the tire. So now I start back on balancing the wheel. I need 2 ounces of weight on one position of the wheel hidden behind a spoke. I've placed it with tape and I've continued to see my e-calibration turns out for balancing my wheel. With the Auto 34, wax is your friend. I'm waxing both sides of the new tire to mount up. It's important to know where your tire pressure sensor is now at this point in the process. There is a cheat sheet on the back of the machine. From here, I'm lowering my tool head off the memory button, which I saved from the beginning process. If I'm doing 4 wheels, this saves me a great deal of time. The bottom bead has been mounted with rotation, and the top bead now is the most important and toughest. This is a pretty tough wheel I'm doing right now. It's off a Toyota Camry. However, I'm only using 1 bit of helping assistance, which runs the contour and is air controlled. I can take it lower or higher, all with my upper left thumb. That allows me to actually bead the wheel. There is 3 helpers involved that I can utilize for assistance, but I didn't need it on this specific wheel. Placing the valve stem on the back of this machine just for safety, just in case there ever is an accident. It typically comes around the valve stem. Not always. I'm not a professional at this by any means, but I'm trying to have some fun and putting some information out here in the marketplace. If you have a 34, or if you'd like a demo of an Auto 34 or a balancer, please let me know. I have many to choose from. Have a great day.